Hey, welcome back everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. A little closing update on the sterling dollar trade today. Worked out quite nicely. Um, I showed you where I got long at 129.91, and basically I closed everything out right around 130.35 on average. Okay, why? Um, I was actually thinking of going long sterling yen, and it was stupid because I could have legged into the cross. In other words, I could have basically went long sterling yen by buying dollar yen on a dip, but I closed sterling out, and then I realized right afterwards, like I could have legged into the cross getting long, and like my average would have been like a really good average, like 189 at the time, 189 like 35, and it's 189.31. So I really did well not to get into that cross because I would have gave back all my money. But anyway, so just a little update for you guys, please. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Also, head over to Park Avenue Trading. Got a really good ebook for you. I'm going to be traveling the next few days, so I have some videos lined up for you that have to do with technical analysis. I'm not going to be able to really do any market analysis. As I'll be watching the markets, but it's going to be impossible for me to like do market analysis. I'm going to be on the road a couple of days and going over to Virginia to visit my daughter. She's getting promoted in the Coast Guard, and I think I'm going to get to pin her. I hope that happens. I hope she didn't choose somebody else. But anyway, so what looking forward in sterling dollar for the next tomorrow? Right now we have like support right around the 130 level. Okay, short-term trend line support. Okay, really the support exists right now at like 129.90. If somehow it can break through 129.90, I wouldn't panic. I'm thinking that the max we can go back down is into this area right here. So how I would handle it would be if we broke through. Hang on, let me look. I don't want to be like a jerk and just like make stuff up. I gotta look at my charts here, my written charts. That's too long term. Wow. I really don't have anything. Let's see. Well, actually, all right, so I'm gonna have to take a stab at this. This is a pure stab. I mean, if it kept down to 129 40-ish, okay, and came back up through that, I'd probably be looking to buy the old level again at 129.91 for the break. Now, break up towards this level again. Remember we said that we had resistance right here, and it really held. I mean, that's the second reason why I exited the trade, because we weren't closing above this, and then we had that chance that we could rally up to the main resistance point at 131.46. So this evening, if you guys trade the Asian session, if sterling can, hang on, let me run some numbers and then get some good levels for you. Just let me do that. Hang on. Okay, so this level moves up a little bit to 130.60. Okay, and another level moves down a little bit to actually right at the trend line support, say 130 the figure. Okay, so those are your levels tonight. A break below 130 the figure tonight, basically probably going to track us down to like that 129.90, 129.40. Okay, and then I think it's going to be a violent move upward. I'm kind of bullish on this, but when I say these things, I change when the marketplace is playing out. I don't just sit there and go, oh, I'm going to buy it. No, if the price action is not showing, I'm buying it. I'm not touching it. I would even sell it if it broke a certain level and try to get as much as I could out of it. I really don't care about up or down. I just care about making pips, man. And that's the name of the game with this stuff. So if we can get a close, even on an hourly level, 130, say 60, and then the next bar that opens, when we talk about that queen that opens and it has follow through, she doesn't reject the price, most likely we're going to head up to like 131 the figure. That's only 40 points, but really we're coiling up to that that level of 131.45 right now. Okay. So again, I'm going to be away until Tuesday. You got videos coming out. Please check them out. They're all good. They're on technical analysis. They're not really long. I'm going over key reversal. I'm going over time stops. I did another one too. Oh, I talk about my IFW stop, which is if I'm fucking wrong stop. That's cool. I also put out a comedy video or a funny video for Monday, talking about a trader friend of mine that used to work with me. He had the nickname Teddy Two Socks, and I thought it'd be funny to put out. It's just light. It's not serious, and it's a really good story. It's a true story. It's what happened, and I think it is hilarious. There's some good lessons to learn in that video if you pay attention to what I'm saying. Anyway, again, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you see my next upcoming videos, and also head on over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself that free ebook, because actually right in here, the breakout, I was going over with the student that this breakout was good because if you use the qualifiers in the ebook, it shows you that this trend line break was good. And look what happened here. Like, here's the king, right? The king closes above the trend line. Here's the queen. She messes around a little bit, but she closes above it. She's saying yes, and the marketplace finally breaks higher. Anyway, that's a side note. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Remember, enjoy the party, dance near the door. Cheers.